Customer lifetime value, or CLV, is a prediction of all the value your business will obtain from your relationship with a customer over a lifetime. This is a great tool not only to direct you in your marketing and sales stream, but also to help you work with your team to see the bigger picture, to really understand their purpose and impact in their interactions with customers. We don't know how long each relationship with our customers will be, but we can use CLV to make a pretty good estimate. When calculating CLV, there are some considerations based on what the specific questions are that you want answered. The most straightforward way to calculate CLV is to take the revenue you earn from a customer and subtract out the money spent on acquiring and serving them. Predictive CLV is the most powerful way to not only understand what a customer is worth to you now, but also how their value will change over time. This is a numbers game, but the numbers are so important to understanding the real value to your business of the customer connections you create. CLV helps you to avoid a transactional approach. You don't want your efforts in obtaining new customers to outweigh their CLV. If we're not focusing on ways to make our existing customers happy and marketing to those who have already bought from us, then the cost of the acquisition will outweigh the amount we can make from a single person. So, how do you move from being transactional? If your goal is to build a sustainable business for the long haul, looking at short-term revenue or making a quick buck off people just won't cut it. The key is to surface your most valuable customers and determine the low-value ones to help you strategically allocate resources to grow your business. Never talk about the average customer. It only leads to average results. Once you've calculated your customers' lifetime values and retention rates, it's time to make sense of those numbers and take action. So think about your customer lifetime value and take the time to work out what the most important person in your business means to you.